Hey everyone, in this video, I will be comparing InVideo and CapCut to help you decide which video editing tool is the right fit for you. Be sure to watch till the end for a complete comparison. Let's start with InVideo. InVideo provides site selection of customizable templates, making it easier to create professional-looking videos for different purposes. It features usually a user-friendly drag and drop interface, simplifying the editing process. You can get access to advanced tools like text overlays, transitions, and visual effects. It connects to stock media libraries. AI-powered features help speed up the video creation process by automating certain tasks. However, InVideo might come with steeper learning curve, especially for beginners. Some advanced features are locked behind premium plans, and certain templates may have limited flexibility. Now let's talk about CapCut. CapCut offers a straightforward and intuitive interface, making it suitable for both new and experienced users. It includes a robust set of editing tools such as filters, transitions, effects, and more. You can easily add text, music, and voiceovers with built-in features. CapCut allows for easy publishing and steering directly to social media platforms. It also supports cloud-based storage, giving you the ability to edit projects from any device. On the downside, CapCut's advanced features may not be as extensive as some other professional tools. Customization might be limited for complex video projects, and some users may find it less suitable for high-end production needs. Choose InVideo if you need rich templates and powerful editing features for more professional video creation. Offer CapCut if you want an easy-to-use platform with strong core features and quick social media integration. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.